If you have obstructive sleep apnea or OSA, the VIVOS method may be the solution. The Breathe Well, Sleep Well Clinic in Clearwater is a certified VIVOS life provider that can help you drastically improve the quality of your sleep. Studies show that up to 98% of patients with obstructive sleep apnea have an underdeveloped mouth and/or jaw. This could be the root cause of your obstructive sleep apnea. Imagine getting a great night's sleep, waking up revitalized, and being ready to start your day. Imagine saying goodbye to a lifetime C-PAP device and oral appliances. But how exactly does VIVOS help achieve that? First, we conduct an at-home sleep study. We use a comfortable monitor that goes on your finger and syncs with our accompanying mobile app. Your sleep patterns are recorded, and a report is generated by a SleepMD. Using these results, the physician will be able to spot and diagnose sleep apnea if it is present. Once diagnosed, our VIVOS-trained dentists will design your custom medical device, and you'll wear it as directed by your doctor. It is worn primarily in the evening and at night while you sleep, for between 12 and 24 months. Your appliance can assist the airways to open. Breathing through the nose instead of the mouth now becomes possible, and your body is greatly assisted in getting the vital oxygen it needs to heal and return to health. Upon treatment completion, many patients do not require further intervention, but occasionally, simple orthodontic alignment and retention or restorative therapy is part of the final stages. By reshaping and expanding the oral cavity, your airway can also expand, which means you can once again breathe well and sleep well. Call today to get started on your VIVOS journey at the Breathe Well, Sleep Well Clinic in Clearwater, Florida.